Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. Today I will show you how to buy OpenAI stock before IPO, which is investing in ChatGPT before IPO. Now IPO basically means that the stock will go public. Now how can you invest in OpenAI stock before actually going public? Now there are a couple of ways, and I will show you a couple of ways that you can go through. But as you can see, this is how do you invest in OpenAI. You cannot directly currently invest in OpenAI as it's a private company, but individual investors can buy Microsoft stock, and which is the best way to invest indirectly. So if you want to invest right now indirectly, this is the way to do it, because Microsoft is actually an investor in ChatGPT. That means if ChatGPT or OpenAI earns a lot more money, then Microsoft will earn a lot more money as well, and in terms you will earn a lot more money with your stock, or the value of the stock will go up. But that's just part of the equation. Now, if you want to go and if you want to buy OpenAI stock before IPO, you will actually need to go through some brokers. For example, as you can see right here, what I found is you can use a specialized pre-IPO investing platform. For example, EquityB is good. It gives accredited investors access to hundreds of high-growth VC-backed startups. So that is a good platform when it comes to investing in pre-IPO or before IPO. Then in addition, EquityB, there are a few online brokers who invest in pre-IPO companies. For example, TradeStation, this is a good one. Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, and then you also have EquityZen, EquityB, NASDAQ private market, and stuff like that. TradeStation is also great if you want to go and if you want to buy OpenAI stock before actually going IPO. Now, obviously, OpenAI stock is not yet available for the pre-IPO purchase. They are a private company, so we don't know when this will be available just as of yet. But if you want to go again, you can definitely go and you can invest in OpenAI by investing in Microsoft stock. This is currently the best and safest bet out there, obviously. And yeah, just go and follow the news, follow the trends, and you will see when OpenAI will have the pre-IPO offer for their stock or investing in their company. So this is a strictly informational video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.